when you think of the quintessential pessimist, the person who's got a chip on their shoulder, the grouchy old man down the street, this is more of the type D personality. The characteristics of a type D personality are one of somebody who's extremely distressed easily, who has difficulty opening up and sharing their emotions, someone who's lonely and isolated a lot, someone who gets frustrated and irritated easily, and somebody who chronically is in a bad mood. So when you think of the quintessential pessimist, the person who's got a chip on their shoulder, the grouchy old man down the street, this is more of the type D personality. The type D personality is more of a new up-and-coming personality type that has been studied in the last decade, particularly when it comes to cardiovascular risk factors. And when we were studying cardiovascular risk factors, we realized that there was a gap. The psychologists and medical researchers that are looking at this found that there was a personality type that really better explained some of the heart issues. So we find that type D personalities are 3 times as much at risk than the general population to getting heart attacks. And in fact, the majority of heart attacks, about half or more, are contributed by type D personality.